Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change BMW Z4 headlight bulbs. First, prioritize safety by gathering all your tools, such as a screwdriver set and a new bulb. Make sure your car's engine is completely off and has cooled down to prevent any burns. For electrical safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before you start working on any electrical components. Next, you'll need to gain access to the headlight bulb. Depending on your specific BMW Z4 model, this might involve removing an access panel in the wheel well or partially detaching the fender liner. Once you have access, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors attached to the headlight housing. Then, remove the protective cover that shields the bulb from the elements. Now it's time to replace the bulb itself. Gently unclip or twist the old bulb to release it from its socket and carefully pull it out. When handling the new bulb, it's crucial to avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can significantly reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb into the socket, making sure it's seated firmly and correctly aligned before securing it with the clips or by twisting. Finally, reassemble everything in reverse order. Replace the protective cover over the headlight assembly and reconnect all electrical wiring. Securely reinstall the access panel or fender liner that you removed earlier. Once everything is back in place, reconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery. Turn on your headlights to confirm that the new bulb is working correctly and shining brightly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.